Hi guys, what's up? AREPL is a great playground for Python developer. It will give you the option to execute your code out of the context of your big project. So let's see how to use it. First of all, you need to install AREPL. So search AREPL and just install this extension. After that, just search for Command Shift P and search AREPL. You have several options. You can start from new document. You can go and use the current document or select some block of code. We will take the new document. I have a snippet of code. So in the first one we have two numbers and we just summarize them. We have two variables and see each change in the left side. This is the code side. The left side is the code side. In the right side this is the output. So each change in the left side I will see it immediately. In the right side there is also the print output because I print here in the screen. Again, it change, I see it in the print output section. And moreover, AREPL give us the options to see our variable in this context. So it's very good. You see that num1 is 9. If I change it, it will be 10. And num2 and the summarize. So you can see your variable in your execution context that run here. This is a very simple example. Let's take example also with a class. So I have a person class that have name and age, and also a function called show name that just show the name. I have an instance of a p1 with constructor for name and age, and after that I show it in the screen. So AREPL give me an output here. It give me as a variable. It give me a person person class and also instance of p1 that have age and name, and also I have the print output. And again, if I change something you will see it in the right side. If I change something in the constructor, so I will see it also in the variable name. So